As we kind of dance around the flat line today for Bitcoin, obviously major correction. We're seeing volumes, at least as we can measure them in terms of transactions, having ebbed a little bit from the excitement early this year. What have you seen in terms of customer interest, demand? Has the fever broken?
I don't think the fever is broken at all, at least for the customers that Bitwise serves. We focus on the financial advisor market, and that market is making a 2 to 5 year move into crypto. Our inflows have continued to be strong. I think what's going on in the market right now is we're going through a brief period of uncertainty. There's an expectation that there'll be new regulations. We're dealing with Bitcoin mining moving out of China. The important thing about those two pieces of news is while they're short-term introducers of volatility, they're long-term good for the crypto market. So I think this is a pause that refreshes, and that's what we're hearing from our investors.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense that there is a certain core of investors, retail and institutional, that feel as if they want to have a long-term allocation to this as an asset class, call it digital gold, whatever it is. But you have to expect that a lot of the people from late last year into early this year, when we went up by multiples in terms of the Bitcoin price and other coins going up even more, that a lot of people were buying because it was going up.
That's definitely true. And you get a lot of people chasing short-term momentum. I think the important thing for viewers to remember is that this is a long-term trade. Look, the market is down significantly, but it's still up 27% year to date. It's up 270% over the last 12 months. Crypto is the best performing asset class in the world out of the last 1, 3, 5, and 10 years. And as you extend your investment horizon, your risk in investing with crypto goes down. Short term, it's a very volatile asset, but long term, at least its historical track record has been good. And there's been nothing about the past few months that's interrupted that story.
Yeah, fair enough, although there has only been one 10-year period ever for Bitcoin. But we'll see how it plays out. You mentioned this sort of period of uncertainty related perhaps to some worries about regulation that might be imposed. Why do you think that's going to be just a fleeting period? I mean, we have Fed Chair Jay Powell saying, look, if we had an official stable coin or something and a digital dollar, there would be no reason for crypto.
Well, I don't think he's right. A digital dollar, I think, would be great for crypto. You would still need digital gold. You would still need Ethereum to be the new internet of finance. I think it's a short-term pause because the secret about increased regulations in crypto, the thing that very few people know, is that's the single most positive driver of a future bull market. We talk to financial advisors all the time. We did a survey of 1,000 of them in January of this year, and we asked them what's keeping them from investing. And the number one thing wasn't price volatility. It wasn't how to value Bitcoin. It was the lack of regulatory clarity. So as long as the regulations that come put crypto on par with the traditional financial system, I think that's going to be the catalyst for the next bull market. And what we've seen in crypto regulation over the past few years is very balanced approaches, punishing the bad actors and creating a sandbox for crypto's growth. That's what I expect out of Washington. And if that's what we get, I think we could be at the beginning of a major new bull market. So we have to go through this period of uncertainty. But if we get to the right place on the other side, I think it could be very positive for the market.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.